Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel after how many months? Probably not months, a few weeks. So I've just, well, not just, I finished my work. It's very late here, but I have difficulty in sleeping at this time because every time I finish my shift late, it's hard for me to go back to sleep as soon as I get home. So I spoke to some of my friends and then I was like, well, now my Instagram account is not that active and I don't have that much followers and I don't have that much content, so maybe I should keep my YouTube account active. So today I'm just gonna go and try I've probably done that before, but this time I want to do it again. What's in my bag? Okay, so first of all, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, make sure you subscribe my channel and then click the bell icon so that you get all the notifications when I upload my videos, with the hope that from the new year I'll try to make more videos and upload on YouTube account so that I can keep connect with everyone. All right, so this is my bag where I use it mostly I carry back to work, but when I go out I always carry like small pouch. It has only my phones and lip balms and lipsticks. No, I only carry that one. But when to work I always carry this one, either to my nursing work or to my other works. I always carry this one because this is very portable and I bought this on my birthday last year. Yep, so every year I try to treat myself on my birthday. For example, this year it is coming very soon, but I already bought myself like a packet of perfume, that my favorite perfume, and one of the lipstick that I always wanted. I bought that. So this time of the year is just like accessory, and this was from last year. It's Guess, and I really like this color and the pattern and the size of the back, and also you can just flip it like this to make it small. Yeah, so let's start what's in my bag. I literally have quite a lot of things in my bag, so here we go. If you could see inside, see, it's quite a lot. So with this bag, the most beautiful thing that I liked is there is this little pouch inside. So this is the one I carry when I go out to hang out with my friends, or when we go to the party or like gatherings and work parties and all. I always carry this one, which is very portable, and you just, you know, like this. So it's very easy and convenient, which is also from Guess. So this comes along with this nice pouch, this bag, and the bottom is so nice. I actually wanted the bag with like red inside, same size and the same brand with the red inside, but they don't have that print anymore, so this is the last one that I could get. All right, so first of all I got this little pouch which I always carry. I didn't make it up, it's just the bag I brought back from my work. So I don't really like separate my stuff because I've got 3 jobs and every job I have to carry my bag, and I put all the things together because it's easier to carry and I don't want to forget anything wherever I go. All right, so with this mini one, first of all, mask from work, because at this point we have COVID cases, even though it is improving, but we always have to wear N95 mask. So this is a spare one that's in my bag, and the other one is again my mask. This is for work, and this is in the public transport and in the public when you go out in a casual, with your casual dress. And other thing is my keys. So this is like little keychain that I got it from, well, it wasn't gifted. I asked one of my friends because it was just there, so I said, hey, can I have it, because I need a keychain. And this is my airport. I bought this from online as well. The cover is so cute. So yeah, it's very portable. So I have my key is all together. And oh my gosh, look at this. This is such a huge name tag. We used to have like the small name tag and with our position on the base, but I think people having difficulty in seeing the small names, so they just made it like this, and it's the magnetic one. Yeah, and the reason, well, you probably wonder why I have this name. So when I started working here, when I started studying, like people call me Sam, and they don't know my full name, and some of them pronounce it so weirdly, and they don't really pronounce it properly, and it is just, I don't know, they found this more easy to call out. So yeah, this is how people know me, Sam. And this lipstick, I used to use this one. This is a pink one, and a little bit like it's quite nice. It stays long though, but I barely used it, so I'm not using this anymore, because I realized that even though this is a brand one, this was Maybelline, it has varieties of shades and all, but I realized that this doesn't really go well with my lips. I always have like cracks, and my skin peels off, so I don't use this that very often. I only use it when I have my lip balm, so I put the lip balm and then use this, which is better. And yes, mist, this is must. This is very, very important, especially here. It's always very hot, and then you always wear sunscreen, and you walk in the sun, you always have like what do you call it, dry skin, and then you easily get suntan. But just to keep yourself moist, you can always use this one. I use Sunkin. Yeah, so it's very, you can just use it everywhere, anytime, just to keep yourself moist. That's the cap, the lid. Ooh. My ATM card, which is already closed, and the candy. I got it from work, but I didn't really eat it because these days I don't really like a sweet. I can have like smoothies and ice cream after meal, but I'm not really like sweet person anymore. Well, it's been a couple of years, not few years. I reduced a lot. Like I reduced lots of sweet, like sugary stuff, so I don't really eat that much, so it's just in my bag. Oh my god, look at this. All this, especially in this pouch, I have everything because it's like one go. And the rubber bands are very, very important, because as a nurse we always tie our hair so neatly, we don't really fall it off. I actually cut my hair. If you notice, I have like this much hair, because when I have long hair, I had lots of hair folds, and I'm not really good at brushing my hair, so I just cut it and dye my hair, but the color is getting back to my normal color. So yeah, that's the rubber band and the tissues. Oh, this is my work Vocera holder. So you just, at work, you just have to put this like that, and then you just put the phone or the Vocera hanging there. You need it all the time, just need to closer to your mouth. That's it. And I've got 5 cents. I've got 5 cents in my bag. I don't know what it's doing there. I don't usually carry cash at all. And this is the mini bag that I have all the important things. Okay, so I am a very creamy girl. I always need hand sanitizer, not hand sanitizer. I always need hand cream. So this was from one of my friend. One time I forgot to put the body lotion with the Rush, because we were gathering somewhere, and I live quite far, so I forgot to put the body lotion, and I said, hey, can you bring some creams, because I need some, my skins are so dry. And then she brought this one, which is actually a hand cream. Where's the other one? And this one as well. This is also a hand cream. So these are so portable, you can always carry in your bag. And this is the oral care spray, which is very portable and very, very strong. If you're buying any of those, it's very strong, so use just one puff. Yeah, it's so portable. And a lot of other stuff, just perfume, mini perfume, back pocket perfume, That's always in my bag. And some eye lubricant, eye drops when your eyes get dried. And my what is this? This is a lip balm, so it's broad spectrum high protection sunscreen. So also the lip balm has the sunscreen on, so yeah, it's just so good. Yeah, I always need all of this, and Maybelline lip balm as well. So I'm just applying everything. Yeah, so I just carry all of it just in case. And another perfume, it's the Black Opium. This is my current perfume, Black Opium, which is so good. And one and only, this is one of the other one that I bought for my birthday, just a present, even though my birthday is not yet, but I just bought it this year because I really needed this YSL lipstick. The shade is 152. Boop, boop, boop. It's 152 and it's so pretty. I just love the color and the smell. It's super good. So this is the color. I just love it. And see how moist it is. Yeah, so this is one of the best for me, and that's all. And that's it. And in my big bag, so in the big bag I have notebook, my notebook, because my other two works I always need notebooks, and this is my other work, translations pen. That's it. And sunglass all the time. My sunglass 24 hours, I need it all the time, this is really important. And my mini pouch or the wallet, and this is my work booklet. So whenever I'm assigned for a work, I always have to take this one and then take all the notes, and then, well, not the notes, it's just the assigned work. We need to fill it up and then send it to the office to get the pay. Oh yeah, and this is my ID for the other work. So this and this are different. So this is another company, this is another company. So I literally work, I have three jobs, 2 casuals and 1 permanent part-time. So that's why I am a little bit busy running here and there, but I really enjoy those works as well. And yes, so sunglasses and umbrellas and sunscreens are the mandatory things that I always need in my bag, because I'm already tanned. This is like a new skin for me, like all tanned since I came to Australia. So yeah, I need umbrella, sunscreen all the time, and sunglasses. What else? Lots of pens for work. As a nurse, we need, of course, we need black and red pen all the time. And this is just a permanent marker to write the dates on the dressings, and what else, what do you call it, intima, like, just name it. We need to write a lot of things. I think that's, I don't know why is this doing. The facial moisturizer, this is also Sunken. It's already empty. I don't know why I'm carrying this one. Yeah, see, I need cream all the time. Oops, gosh. So this is the yeah, you know what I mean, this one. And this one, I used to wear this a lot to work, just to keep my hair tight, like clean all the way up. And then I also use this when I do exercise and when I go for runs and like all the sports things, I use them. And that's all. My bag is empty. So this is all I have. It's actually quite a lot. I always carry them, and when I packed my food, I also put that in my bag and then just take it to work. And the quality is so good. The bag quality is so good, so I can just put as much as I could. I wanted to buy something where I can just put my laptop and everything, so I spoke to the salesperson and I said I need to use it use it to work as well as for casual, but I always need to carry my laptop if I go to other works. So they said this is the best, this is one of the best, and there were also a few beautiful ones, but the qualities are not really good. So I ended up buying this one. It's been like a year now since I bought this one. I bought it for my last year birthday. Yeah, so that's it. And this is cute too. So it's just a little pouch, mini pouch. That's all, and I actually intend to make it short, but it's more like 15 minutes, and I'm just gonna stop here, and I'll see you guys more in the next videos. Have a good day wherever you are. Stay healthy, stay active, and stay positive. Make sure you look after your health, and just be happy and stay positive. Less gossiping, and try to connect with yourself rather than, you know. Have a good day. Bye.